sorry. It's our busy. Please try to enter. You phony maniac.